Alright guys, so quick little update on the Lexus. We got our trailing arm 4-link mounts. We got a dual kit from Rough Stuff. That's out here. Brandon is sitting here welding them up. Alright everybody, so today we're going to be back on the Lexus build. We are going to be working on some of the interior floor plates. It's going to be kind of like our external frame plates, but it's going to be on the internal side because of the unibody floor pan and everything. This is going to tie it into our roll bar cage, and it's going to kind of box in the inside where our trailing arm mounts are going to weld to. And our trailing arm mounts are going to weld in like an L, so these plates are going to be on the inside that the upper mounts are going to lean on. So here is the computer drawing. Right here is this section where the upper link mount's going to sit, which is why I don't have any circles there. You'll see it more when we go to install it on the car. But I have all these little rosette weld slots because the top of the plate is going to run on our cage bar, which will fully weld all the way around. And then I'm going to have these little rosette weld where it's going to bite to the body better, and then again we'll weld it all the way around along the bottom and up both sides. And this little leg goes on the top all the way to our little back bar, our B pillar. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these out, and then you guys will understand a lot more once we get them in the car. I do still have to add the operations here. Going inside. It is too small, so we can't have our tails, our lead in, lead outs. And then we're going to go and do our outside. This one I'm going to add our tails back on. Then that way you get your cutting path that tells it to do which cut after which cut.